Namiss namin to si Coach. Namiss yung kita.
Coach Bob! Coach Bob! Coach Bob! Coach Bob! Coach Bob! Coach Bob!
Yan.
Jersey number 28, Jack. Very jersey number 21, Enzo. Robin. Very jersey number 7, Ashley. Very jersey number 1, Ashley. YouTube sensation and influencer, content creator sa larangan po ng basketball. Napaka-pogi, Coach Max in the house, mag-ingay Barangay Real! Elmer Babalon and Mr. Vicky Dalayon.
Maraming salamat po Lord sa pagkakataon na to, sa pagkakataon na makalaro ulit Lord. And Lord, bigyan niyo po kami ng knowledge kayo na may apply lahat na natutunan namin galing sa Mali sa Tarlac. Lord, ingatan niyo po kami Lord, cover us with your loving grace Lord dito sa laro na to Lord. Inaangat po namin lahat ng binibigay sa amin through this game. And we're praying na walang masaktan Lord, both teams, pati ang mga kalaro namin. And sana mapasahin namin Lord at pamahayan natin. Lord, again, maraming salamat po Lord. This is for you. This game is for you. There's no way to pray.
Amen! Jesus!
Let's go.
Di ba lang piso-piso? Yung number 1 nila. Yung kagayang kaljoy.
Kontra kay Ashley, Eagles, Oyo, Uncle Johnny. First 2 points. Let's open it up for Lowell, Jisu. On that run. Iba. Tingnan kay Ashley. Right side. Uncle Joe. Trying to cover it. Okay, the whole shot. Iba. The cover. Alright, away. Nakuha sa lane.
Takes it over to the top. Along that after post. Roll. Abo. Nilamang na sa ilalim. Here comes si Oyo. There are 2 points right now. Ashley from deep. In and out para sa kanya. Tapping ang bola sa side. 6 year of that possession. First factor pala. Medyo mabilis sa pinapakitang transition dito. The last basketball. The corner. Ikot on the lane. Kapitán siya. He's running with two. We want to save it and try to keep it alive, pero inabot na siya dun sa headline, no? And it's currently a 5-0 run. Kontra dito sa Mavs. Siya may 5.7 po para sa kanila. Ikaw na lang dyan. Takes it over on the right. Ashley, pitching it over on middle area, running in traffic. Pasok na ni Oyo. Not being bothered by traffic doon sa gitna. Imagine it's inside and Joaquin underneath that defense. Pinakagay kayo sa glass. He's swinging it over to Sean. Apple Joy. Out to the open. Still rough. Apple Joy para sa board. Same person. Inabot na travel eh. That's his travel against Ashley. Wala na meron ba kaya bago niyo sa Mavs? Maestro. Sinusubukan lang ng kitlahe. Ang musika. Kaya finally shoot and away from the plate. That was the double foul. As Joaquin and Uncle Joey getting a tackle. Doon sa kanang bahagi ng court na
Number 26, Real. Number 3, wait. Number 3, Max.
Ayun nga, gaya ng sabi ko, it's between Uncle Joe and
Nag-retaliate.
Joaquin. Fresh 14-second shot clock yan para dito sa Real. And this time, Reynolds will take it in. Ego. Maestro on the attack. Bothered by Igot. 9 seconds to shoot para sa mga nakaputi. Alvin has to take that inbound. Big pass. Umubra kaya yung screen. Turn around. Umubra yung screen ni Jose. Napunta niya ang bawata. And that takes Ron to see the spot. Face the line for two girls. Well, ano kayong adjustment ang gagawin dito ni Coach Bugs, ha? When it comes to penetration ng atake nitong mga taga-Real, mga nakakapasok sila. So they have to do something new here para mapigilan yung mga sentro o yung mga tore dyan ng Batang Real. And Rod has one more free throw to go. He misses it. Oh, he gets his own rebound. Sablay nga lang yun. Ashley on the move. Without the ball. And his is Marie Maestro delivers the 2-4. Now, they need to clarify what happened on the other side.
Hindi, kanina pa may pumipito.
O ayan na, may naririnig tayong pito. Doon sa labas, makikisuyo na po, no? It's really causing distraction po sa ating mga officials. Even players na nadi-distract sila. Para maayos yung laro, mga kabarangay, pasuyo na mga kabarangay. Paalala ko yan, para sa comedy substitution po tayo, ha? So, Rev, James, holding out on the floor. Also, magandang doon replace, okay? Pasok na rin si Jack. To replace Cleveland, magpapahingin muna siya dito ni Coach Mavs. And currently, 9-point deficit po ang kinakaharapin ng Mavs Phenomenal Basketball. Gaya nga nasabi natin kanina, no, we need to see something new from these guys. Able to stop those guys. Riyam, o mula sa Riyam. Now Jack with the letter. They go to Jamas. Ashley trying to cycle that letter around. Is trying to locate Jack on the outside. 11 seconds to shoot na lang to para sa mga nakaitim. Jack will take the inbound. They got Oyo. 8 to shoot para sa Mavs. Sean 100 is good. Now these two on the move by Espo with the fake. Big run. Back on Jack. Ashley is free. Layup. Jamas working against Sisu, foul whistle on Maestro. Si Marvin, yung kaya kasigala na doon. Second team foul yan, ha? 40 to shoot for the guys on left. Ayun, receive it, matutulog sa siya. After that, inbound, back to shoot para sa mga black. Check, stop and shoot, that's good. Finish sa J. No, meron si Jack.
Para papuntahan nyo nga sa barangay yun. Nandito yung napito.
One time.
Sana may special.
Bugaya, may kasi ito, no?
Relax ang tama nun eh. Sir!
Di ba hindi naman sila nakatao? Di ba hindi naman sila tao? Kailangan mo tumanggap kagad dito. Okay? Hindi ka man tatanggap dyan, dito ka tumanggap. It's either dito or dito. Pagbigay mo ng half, bikat. Okay? Pag nag-close yung dalawa dito na kalaban, pag lumapit, atake mo, bigay mo sa kanya, ha? Balik mo sa kanya, bigay sa'yo, balik mo sa kanya sa uno. Pagbalik mo sa uno, pag lumapit to, nag-close out, kick out! Left and right! Go, 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 go! Okay?
Still, first quarter. Nakahapon kanina, nasa halos 10 puntos yung kalaban dito ng Real. Baka po sa anim, 16-10. Na Marvel, si Gary now. Nice. Recognition, Real offers the pick. Oh, what a pass! To put it under. 8-second shot clock. Marlon trying to make an open pass to Mama Lang. Reynolds has one to shoot. Puts it up for up and. Nawag pa ni Koritano yung bola. Nakaubusan na sila ng shot na. Oo. Tumawa na sila pa Tumawa. Jack Miller is bringing around the line. This time, si Puritana yung natawagin ng aming officials. Jack is now on the line to be tested for 2 free throws. Balik na si Binona, fresh from the bench to the place. Jack misses his first free throw of this game. He takes it 7. Arvin working against Jack. Maestro. Sumasayaw. Doon sa gitna. Zero side. Back to shoot for this big man. The next big violation. Again, inside. Ikalaw ka nobody ang Real. And still they are off by 5. The Real basketball. Looking time, 35 points. Simply Dallas. Big release and all the last for the 2-1. And on the way to Marvin. These two on the move. Scoops it up. As they miss the shot for the 2. Sean puts it up. That's good. Ang ganda ng tingin ko ng mag-screen ko, ha? Hindi na masyadong tingin ko ng penetration. Kaya nakakayos na ako siya sila ng mga person. Doon na bumubukol yung kanilang mga shooters doon. May foul na ikaw. That was against AJ. First person like that. Currently called on for the side. JR. Marsh inside. Inat siya ng offensive. First personal foul on the side. Maraming papayaki. Nakakakaya. Isang minuto siya. Pagkakataong ilang ng Mavs. Ako wala. In favor of Nico. Jack. Sorry, TV, AJ nakasala din ako si Erno. Nico. So now, let's see if we can stop this on the next one. Jack was on the attack. AJ, out the shot. The line to shoot. Jack launches it. Don't please somebody wrong. But that was a nice pass. Mula rito kay Sean, able to take the lead. Marating sa Mavs. And this time, AJ, todo binawan. Jack.
Good job ha. Sayang. Setting. Guys, tuloy natin yung momentum. Tuloy natin yung momentum. Pwede mo butasin ng butasin. Kick out. Pagka alam mo yung bantay mo nandito, binutas ni Jack. Tapos nandito ka, yung bantay mo nandito rin, tumorner ka. Para yung kick out, pag lumabas siya, hindi makuha ng bantay dito. Okay?
After that timeout, what a run ang pinakita ng Mavs. Kanina, baba lang na 13 sila. 9 points. Raptors na kontra yan, pero nakakano ko pa sila sa putos dito. JR, connect to that trigger. They go to the side. Hurry up, brings it off, shot clock down to 8. Nico has 6 seconds to work with. Raymond is in this. They will end the scene on the ground. Jack on run, fighting all the way. Raymond down the Jack, AJ Oil at Dallas for Ayala. Binaoman to the side for Nico. That was a little screen. Number 6. This time, nag-investigan si Jack Position. Kung side on the hot two. Carroll, 2 points. Wala lang sa middle of 47 seconds to go. Jack to Aaron. Jack side, same spot. And one step to JR, Ariola, Reynolds. It's a minute, 22 seconds. In the air, and 46 to the post down the left side. Second personal foul and penalty. And this time, Joshua Valentino pakakin.
Papatamad ka dyan!
So, Lavin, Air Lavin, you'll face the line for 2 free throws. Sa line, ha? Sa line. Seconds remaining. And back to the ground was it. Caution here. Ariola pulls up a long one. Couldn't get the bounce. Jack was off the board. Jack is running. He's pushing with 1-4 versus 1. Legacy. What a sequence. Lots of
They started the quarter, mukhang nahihirapan pa, pero eto na nga, sinabi natin, pag magkakaulan na, they ended it.
The ball will stay with the guys. And why? Not 10. Picks up the jet. Top up down to 13. Bina on. Valentino. Puts up it all to the end of the bounce. Alex. Alex, stand to shoot. Air limit. To Alex. Has 7 seconds to work with. AJ from deep. What a rotation. Sino sabi nila dito yung Henry? Shot out on. Able to establish good positions when it comes to shooting at nangyari na ngayon dun sa ilalim kay Asad. Kaliwa doon kay AJ. Sabi lang wala ko rin na may reverse. Ice man, sumo. Lavin. It's over Alex. AJ once again. Get it, pull the trigger. Out to Alex. To Air Lavin. Di uubra. Naghinaya sa manginaya. Si Coach Rob, sa sabi niya si Jarvis. He almost keeps it alive. Ang problema, tumulas na talaga sa kanila. Valentino, atake, versus 26-24. Hindi pa rin ang nagpapalo. Hindi pa rin ang gano'n. AJ once again, the bumping. No! Baseline, Jay, is it this? I want it. Hey, Alex, set to shoot. Drop it from deep. Whoa! Hey, Alex, pulls it up. Good get bounce. Joshua on the attack, running it back. Good save. See, nakakita niyo unang music nito siya. Si Joshua. Valentino with an awesome drive. It's out in 8-24. 10 to shoot. 3-pointer. Copy the Dallas, Corridas, contact. Dallas, AJ. Shot up Hamilton, Alex picks it up. He's on top of the key. Party Alex. Good pass here. First personal, para kay Taylor. Trying to sit that head down. Balik tayo po si AJ Bapin. Sinerplace ko kay Ana. Pizza! Sisot pa kayo natin. Bilang kailangan natin ito na kaya na may pagsebo kami ko talaga kaya sa bigyan at naligat ka na ito. Dito sa pinakautos yan. Pag-Omentino, Jackson Grant, is still holding on the lead with less than 6 minutes, 6.5 minutes. On the second corner, Alex kicks it over here. Alex, come on. Turn and shoot. Puts it up. That's it. Yung sinasabi namin, pagdating sa iyo ng tao, talagang professional din ko yung kaya kababagan ko siya. Walking on the spot, Omentino on the roof. And it's bad. Sigar lapit. Kung ang pinit na nag-request natin, ayun na, nag-request. Joshua, be tested for 2 free throws. Kiss din muna. At sige, salamat po natin sa ating mga bisita ngayong gabing ito sa representative po ng aming butihing Vice Mayor Cokie Lasano, Boss Jojo Gonzalez. Maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta.
DJ, tuloy mo yung momento mo. Sayang, di mo nagdadalawang isip ka, tinira mo dapat. Okay, tuloy mo yung momento mo. Good job.
Muli ka, sige, hindi ka rahat. Nanonood po sila kayo. Habibihin ko sa inyo. Sila po, tampo. Nanonood kayo sa ating live. Muli ka sa ating. Kasama si Janice, AJ, Jack, Bernardo, Oyo, AJ, Terry Shoot, Hacker, SLS, Rafaela, Bonsai, Aki, Guevara, Abetos, ni Carmen, Odisay, pinagsabahan niya ang mga Jack, puts up a ring, doesn't work. Take a run. Down, back pass, AJ, there's only one mistake. Nice ball down the run. Field goal. Alex. To Jarvis. Biggest play. Byron on the attack. Balik kayo. Sumapit. Isinupunan ng sentral. That's right. Good replace, Jeff. Shot kay Adrian Panganiban. Nananong kayo, pinababalikan ni Coach Jeff na. Pinababalikan siya ni Coach. Shot out sa commissioner namin sa Sapos Basketball. Boss First Here's Buchanan. What a push! And her son, Gary Ashley, you replace David. No, paganda pa kayo sa'yo. Pumreno siya dun eh. So, tuloy siya dun sa traffic. Napaganda pa na. And 3-point play opportunity yan para kay Husay. With 35-31, akati ko ng apat na nabarangay Real dito ha. Ang batang niya. Kung sumubang pang iakat sa amin. Hindi lang ba kayo sa inyo kung sa ating gameplay. Okay, AJ! AJ is a lesson. That Marlon trying to skip it against Oyo, pero hindi siya nagulog. Iba, Oyo sa that. Puts up her ass. Dennis Oyo, back to Ashley! Diura. Maestro Otario. Marlon, nakalusot. Inistusyon mo yun. Driven in very second quarter. Oil. Had to go strong outside. Chavez. Big release. There is the whistle. Once again. Work against Eagle. Puts it up, one. Try to keep it alive, Nail Star. Look in. Can't shoot by Marvin out on the side. Broad puts it up. Second personal foul against Marlon. Nakakadalawa na yan sa Maestro. 13 foul on each Rafael. And it's 31-31. 40 seconds on the shot clock for the rest of that. We have it up. Davis. Back to Leon. Iwo, pinagana sa ilalim. Close it work. Happy birthday, Ashley. Pulse over. Ashley worries it all out. People are excited. Happy birthday anymore. Sa baseline pa lang, no? There was a whistle. Moving down. This time, the timeout is been called 39-34. One, dalawang minuto sa ating first time.
Transition tayo. Gang rebound. Takbo.
Shout out kay Bon Jovi, di ba nakita ni Jay? So, last 2 minutes. Possession is still and away from the play. May reason na naman na nakita na ano yung ating mga officials doon. And this time, hinahanap niya yung numero ni Uncle Joe. Warning for penalty. Last and second personal foul against Apple. Pumayari na siya kay Carlos on back to shoot. And Simon side loses that pass. And now, Castellano. Looking to side game with 5-point shot will pick it up. Shan, back pass to Jamis. Trying to find an open man. Harris. Oh, we go. Penalty na yan para sa Cubs. On the last 31 seconds of our first half. Remaining at Sean on the attack. Puts it up. 17 seconds to go. Loose ball. Another seconds to go. Last Phenomenal has a chance to beat this closer. And that means the Lord is lessened. Their deficit within 6 points right now. Ashton to Sean, back to shoot, back pass. Thomas to Sean, nothing, no. That's it. 3 seconds to go.
Huwag kayong malilingat ng konti, basta kunin nyo na yung tao nyo. And tulungan nyo sa box out para makarebound. Di na siya nakakatalon.